गोंयांत फाटले 3 ते 4 दीस जाले ढगाळ वातावरण आसा. अरबी दर्यांत 2 सिस्टीम प्रचलित आसा. हे वादळाचे रूप घेवं येता. उत्तर गोंयांत वारे मजबूत ना, मात दक्षिण गोंयांत चड वारे सुटला. पावसाची शक्यताय आसा. दर्यांत कांय प्रमाणात रौद्र रूप घेतिल्ल्यान नुस्तें मारप्यांक दर्यांत वचचें न्हय म्हण शिटकावणी दिल्ली आसा, अशें पणजे वेधशाळेन कळीत केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Basically, Goa is experiencing since last 3 to 4 days cloudy weather. The reason behind this is that two systems are prevailing in the Arabian Sea. The one system is toward the northwest side, southwest side of the Arabian Sea, and another one is toward the southeastern side. The first system, which is toward the southwest side of the Arabian Sea, it became the deep depression and it is moving northwestwards in the initial stage. That will become a cyclonic storm within next 12 hours. And beginning movement will be northwestwards, and then the movement will be toward the west northwestwards. And this system, after becoming cyclonic storm, it will strike to Somalia coast during next 4 days. And the another one system, which is a depression, or you can call a low pressure area over the Lakshadweep area and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea. This system was yesterday at this position, but now this system is near to the southeast of Arabian Sea and adjoining areas of East Central Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area. And the same second system, it is affecting to the Goa region. In the Goa region is divided into two zones, that is the South Goa and the North Goa. North Goa winds are not that much strong, but the South Goa winds are quite strong as compared to North because of this low pressure area near to the Lakshadweep area. And this is subsequently, this is going to become a depression in next 24 hours. Because of these two systems, the fishermen are advised not to enter into the sea because the squally weathers of 45 to 55 km per hour gusting to 65 km per hour will prevail for next 24 hours. So all fishermen are advised not to go into the sea.
So is there any chances of rain, heavy rain?
Yeah, yesterday because of this system, very light rain has been noticed in Goa region. The first one is 0.2 mm at Marma Goa, and the second one is when it is less than 0.5 mm, that is known as a trace. This trace is noticed as Sangam and Dabolim airport. And for another 2 days, there are chances of light rain over Goa region.